We'll guide you through how to reverse a video in VSDC. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, make sure that VSDC video editor is already installed on your device before beginning this tutorial. Double-click the VSDC video editor application to launch the software. From the start screen, select the Import Content option to create a new project using an existing video file. Browse your computer and choose the video you want to reverse for this tutorial. Then click the Open button to import the selected video into the project workspace. A prompt will appear asking whether you want to use the project settings from the imported file. Click Yes to apply the recommended project settings so they match your selected video automatically. Next, change the project title to How to Reverse a Video in VSDC so the project is easy to identify later. Once everything is ready, click the Finish button to enter the editing workspace. Before enabling the reverse effect, play the video once so you can see its original playback direction. This will make it easier to compare the result after the reverse effect is applied. After that, go to the top menu and click View to access additional program options. Find the Properties option and click it to display the required panel. From the available choices, select View or Hide Window, so the Properties window becomes visible if it is currently hidden. Go to the timeline and select the video you want to reverse by clicking the clip once. Then move to the Properties window located on the right side of the interface. Scroll down until you find the Playing Backwards option in the available settings. Enable the Playing Backwards option to activate the reverse effect for the selected video clip. After enabling the reverse option, close the Properties window since it is no longer needed. Click the Play button to preview the reversed video and make sure the playback direction has changed successfully.